Hello and welcome back, students. In last video we have seen computer memories and computer structure. Then after that the last topic was computer characteristics and limitations of computers. We have already seen. Now we are going to start from the topic applications of computer. So now applications of computer mean where we can use the computer, where it is being used, and what was the necessity of a computer, in which field and in what manner they are using computers. So it's written over there. Computers are basically used almost everywhere to do several technical and non-technical types of work in lesser time. This unique ability has established their unity and necessity. So whatever I said, that it's already written that in every technical and non-technical field it's been used, and it has ability, as we have seen in characteristics of computer, that is a it has versatility, means in versatile manner it works, many jobs it can do. Now for students to teachers, engineers, doctors, government organization, all use computers to perform specific tasks for entertainment or just to finish office work. So see the versatility and see the diversion, and in fields like students, teachers, engineers, doctors, government organization, all of them they use computer in their on their own way. Computers have made our life easier. There is no doubt that computers have made our life easier with greater precision and accuracy and less time taking. Computers can do a lot of work in short time. That's very, we have seen in characteristics also, that it can do any complex job or any difficult job in very lesser time, and with pure accuracy. While doing manually it will take more time. The same task can take a lot of time if you are doing manually. Computers have taken industries and business to a whole new heights, means in uh, industries and businesses, once computer has been added, so they have taken to the new height, means new goals, new achievements they have got. Like we can see in science field, scientists are using now advanced supercomputers. Then researchers, lab technicians, doctors, they are using advanced type of computers. Without that computer, imagine that how is it possible or not. It's not possible, it's quite impossible without the computer to gain such things. They are used at home, offices, hospitals, government organization, etc. Some of the uses of computers in various fields are listed below. So instead of that one, scientist and doctor they're using, but we are using at home also. We use computers. Okay, so handheld PCs, laptops and PCs, desktop, we are using at home. And what do we use? We use in general, for general purpose, making draft, writing in MS Word, then watching movies. So we use computers for general purpose also. So as written that many uses are there of computer in different fields. So the very first field it's written there, computer in business. So how they use in business? Businessmen use computers to interact with their customers anywhere in the world. So this is the very effective way and effective application of computer, that they can get connected with many people across the world, not across the country, not across the city, across the world. If someone is there in America and someone is there in India, they can get connected in a few seconds, and they can talk and as real, face to face. What we talk face to face, we can talk on computers also, using of computers. Many business tasks are performed more quickly and efficiently. So without the computer, accuracy is a big problem, that whether it's accurate or not. If you are doing manually with the hand, so there is a big question that is it correct or not. There are 50-50 chances if you are doing manually or a human being is doing, so there is a 50-50 chance that it is correct or not. But With the computer, if you have given the input properly, the output will be correct in and accurate. Computers are used for marketing, stock exchange, budgeting, billing, reporting, accounting. See the big uses of that one: budgeting, billing, and reporting. Once you are going to the mall and you are purchasing, you purchase a lot of things and with different prices in different unit. So once you go to the counter, they just check that one and calculate in few seconds. And now suppose they don't have the PCs, they don't have the computer, they have to uh, do with the hand. So you can imagine how much time it will take. Okay, so this is the big uh, application and big uses of a computer in business. Now second one is that computers in education. Now this is no need to discuss, you people know that how computers are being used in education. Let's read that one. Computers have their dominant use in the education field, which can significantly enhance perform in learning, preparing reports, gathering information, and developing science projects. So these are the uses students use, or in education it is being used. Science project बनाने के लिए, for gathering information. Okay, this is a big one, gathering information. Whatever you people are going to do, or you people do a project and all, first what you do, Google, that is a gathering information from the internet. Whatever the sources and resources are there on the internet, you people gather, you people grasp that one first, that then only you make a project. So this is the big use of in education. Even distance learning is made productive and effective through internet and video based classes. Now these days it is the big use of that one. This is the only use to get educated. Suppose in these days, if computer, internet, or mobiles, or whatever it is, we can stuck with the computer. If computer is not there in these days, how education is being possible? It's not possible. Okay, so imagine that computer is not there, so what do we do to communicate? Should I write a letter? So post it and that will reach to you, then again you people write a letter, post, and it will reach to me. So it's practically impossible to get connected and get educated like this. So this is the big achievement of computer in education. People have been educated. Computer has developed various applications like CBTs, computer based training, WBTs, web based training, etc, which are used for giving training to the students, virtual classrooms, video conferencing, knowledge base, etc. So we have already seen that meeting, that web based training and computer based training, all are there, and all are just possible just because of computers. Now the third point is computers in medical field. There's also big use of computer in medical field. Computers have become important part in hospitals, labs, and dispensaries. Now we give our thing to get tested blood or any sample get tested. They test through the computer itself and they generate report and give it to you, and we people just rely on that one, that it is correct. If we are giving our blood sample and getting tested with the computer itself and getting the report, and we say that okay, this is the very accurate one. So it is highly impossible that a person can see the blood and gives you report manually without the computer. So computer has the big role in that. The computers are being used in hospitals to keep the record of patients and the medicine prescribed. There is also big use. What is that? Storage, the huge storage. Like if I say that 10 million records are there in computer, so is it possible for a man or for a lab to maintain 10 million records at a time? And see the searching one, if you give your name to search your report, within few seconds they can search and give it to you by using computer. But without computer it is very complicated to get it. It is also used in scanning and diagnosing different diseases: ECG, EEG, ultrasounds, and CT scans. Whatever you see on a medical one, they are being used, they are being diagnosed and gives the report, they give the report by the computer with the use of computer only, also done by computerized machine. That those are smart machines, inbuilt softwares are there, inbuilt processors are there, they are smart machine, but yet they are a computer only. Some major fields of healthcare in which computers are used are as follows. First one is diagnostic system. As I told you, that diagnose to get any symptoms of disease and all. Computers are used to collect data and identify cause of illness. So it's a very big one. Patient monitoring system. These are used to check patients' signs and abnormality such as in cardiac arrest and ECG, etc. So people go on ventilator and all, those are only computers. It is possible with computer only. Next is surgery. Nowadays computers are also used in performing surgery. So whatever the doctors can't see with naked eyes, so they watch on the monitor, and they diagnose, they do the surgery on that one. Lab diagnostic system. All tests can be done and reports are prepared by computer. That's very easy. They give the sample and takes the output from the monitor itself, and the generate the report. Pharma information system. Drug labels, expiry dates, harmful drugs, side effects, etc. can be checked using computer. So it's been already stored in computer, so they can check with a barcode or with the uh, batch number and all. They can check the validity of that medicine, and genericity means it is generic or not. Okay, so now next one is computers at home. That is very easy. You people are using computer at home, and it is not so necessary to discuss what are the uses of computer at home. Computer can be used at home to manage home budget. You can easily calculate your expenses and income. It can also be used for playing games and manage office work at home. Nowadays most of the people are doing work at home itself, and you can play a game, you can watch movies, and you can manage budget, your expenses and all. Next one is the most important one, computers for communication. So how is it being used? We can do video calling and all through the computer itself. Communication means to convey a message, an idea, a picture, or speech that is received and understood clearly and correctly by the person for whom it is meant for. So you can send the picture, you can send the video, you can call, you can give the voice message and all through the computer itself, and get the required answer for that one. You can send email, that is electronic mail, to your friends and relatives. You can also chat with friends through internet. You can also talk and hold a meeting with them through video conferencing. So through the video conferencing you can chat, you can share all the things, different messages, files and information can be sent to them. So many kind of information called media. So many media like picture, videos, voice messages, you people can send and receive through the internet itself. There are many more uses of computer also there in your book, so we will discuss in next video. And after that, the next topic is types of computer, that we will discuss in next video. It will be finished your first unit that time. Okay, till then, be at home and be safe. Have a good day.